Welcome to SignalForge AI. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect TradingView to MetaTrader 5 in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, go to SignalForge-AI.com. As you can see, SignalForge is the smartest TradingView to MT5 bridge, with built-in AI filtering. Starting at just $4.99 a month. Click Try 14 days free. No credit card is required. This takes you to the Stripe checkout page. Enter your email and start your free trial. Total to pay today, 0. After subscribing, check your inbox. You'll receive a welcome email with everything you need. Your personal token, your webhook URL, and step-by-step setup instructions. Scroll down to see the JSON examples for buy and sell orders. These are the exact messages you'll paste in TradingView later. Now click Download EA to get your Expert Advisor file. You can see the file downloading, SignalForge EA Starter. Now open MetaTrader 5. Go to File, then open Data folder. Navigate to MQL5, then Experts. This is where you paste the EA file. Right-click, Paste. You can close the folder now. Back in MetaTrader, right-click on Expert Advisors in the navigator and click Refresh. You should now see SignalForge EA Starter in the list. Next, go to Tools, then Options. Click the Expert Advisors tab. Make sure Allow Algo Trading is checked. Also check Allow Web Request for listed URL. Now go back to your welcome email and copy the server URL. Paste it here in the web request URL list. Click OK. Now go back to your email one more time and copy your token. Drag the SignalForge EA onto any chart. The Properties window will open. Go to the Inputs tab and paste your token in the SignalForge token field. You can also configure your trade settings here, like lot size, stop loss, and take profit. Click OK. Make sure the Auto Trading button is enabled at the top, it should be green. The SignalForge panel appears on the chart showing connected. Your balance and equity are displayed in real time. Now let's set up TradingView. Open your chart and create a new alert. In the Notifications section, check the webhook URL box. Go back to your email and copy the webhook URL. Paste it in the webhook field. Now click on the Message section. This is where you paste the JSON. Type the buy order, action buy, symbol PCUST, lot 0.01. Click Apply to create the alert. You can see it's now active in the Alerts panel. Let's create a second alert for selling. Same format, just change the action to sell. Click Apply. Now watch. The alert triggers and the sell order executes instantly on MetaTrader 5. You can see the open position in the panel and in the Trade tab below. That's it. TradingView to MetaTrader 5 in under 5 minutes with SignalForge AI. Start your free trial at SignalForge-AI.com. Link in the description.